Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving the problem in example 2.9. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solution. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It will be helpful for you. Now we can read the question. Here the question is 7 into 5 into 3 into 2 plus 3 a composite number? Justify your answer. We need to check whether this number is composite or not. Okay. Here we have to know the concept of what is composite number and prime number. What is composite number? And we need to know the concept of prime number. Prime is nothing but a number which has exactly two factors. Already I have explained about the concept of factors in my previous class, that is problem number 10 in exercise 2.1. If you check out the video, you can understand what is factors. Okay, then only you'll be able to understand this problem. To check that video first. So prime number is nothing but a number which has exactly two numbers as a factors. Two numbers. What are that two numbers? 1 and that particular number itself. That means if you want to find out the number 2, this number 2 is prime or not, we have to check out the factors of 2. What would be the factors of 2? 1, 2, right? Here we have exactly two factors, 1 and that number itself. I repeat, the number which has exactly two factors is called as prime number. Composite means the number which has more than two factors is called as composite numbers. Okay. Now we can see the solution. For the solution, I have written the question. What is given in the question? Okay. I have written the thing. What is given in the question? What is that? 7 into 5 into 3 into 2 plus 3. We need to check whether this number is composite or not. So, what is 7 into 5? 35. 35 into 3? 5 into 3? 15. 3 into 3? 9. 9 plus 1? 105. And 105 into 2. 5 into 2? 10. 2 into 0? 0. 1. 1 into 2? 2. This is 210, right? And 210 plus 3. This is 213. We need to check whether 213 is composite or not. For that, what we have to do? We have to find out the factors of 230. For that, we need to check, we need to divide this 213 by smallest numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it goes on. Okay. Now we are going to divide 213 by 1 first. This 213 can be divided by 1 completely without leaving the remainder. So 1 would be the factor of 213, right? And 2. If you divide 213 by 2, we'll be getting some remainder, right? The concept of factor is one number should be divided by another number without leaving the remainder. Okay, one number should be divided by another number completely. So here, if you are dividing 213 by 2, we'll be getting some remainder. That is 1, 2 is 2 and 0, 1. We need to put 0 here. So if you are dividing 213 by 2, we'll be getting the remainder. So 2 will not be the factor of 230. So 2 is not a factor of 213. And now we are checking 3. 213 by 3. 7 3s are 21. 1 3 is 3. 0, right? Remainder is 0. So that the 3 would be the factor of 213. And if you are checking with 4, we'll be getting some remainder. And if you are checking with 5, we'll be getting some remainder. So I'm taking 71. Now, why? Because if I am dividing 213 by 71, 3 into 71, 213. Right? 3 into 71, 213. So if I am taking 3, 1 into 3, 3, 7 3s are 21, 230. So here 71 into 3, 213. 213 minus 213 is 0. So this 71 also the factor of 213. So total we have 1, 3, 71. 1, 3, 71. These are all the factors of 230. Right? Here we have 3 factors. What I have said earlier, what is the concept of composite number? The number which has more than 2 factors. Then it is called as composite numbers. We have total 3 factors, so that 213 is a composite number. The answer should be like, the factors of 213 is 1, 3, 71. So that this is a composite number. Okay. The factors of 213 is 1, 3, 71. So that 7 into 5 into 3 into 2 plus 3 is a composite number. Okay. This is all about the problem in example 2.9. For solving this problem, we need to know the concept of composite number. Okay, composite number is nothing but it's a number which has more than 2 factors. And prime number, what is prime number? Prime number is a number which has exactly 2 factors. Okay, if it is more than 2 factors, then that number is called as composite number. If it is exactly 2 factors, we can say that number is a prime number. Okay, this is all about this problem. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.